If you are facing issues with Instagram calls, video, or voice not working or showing bugs today, so here's a step-by-step guide to report the problem and try to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to settings and privacy. In here, scroll down till the bottom unless you see help option available and simply tap on it. Inside help, tap on the report a problem. Then choose report a problem without shaking. And then tap on the include and continue or don't include and continue. Then simply describe the issue. Instagram call not connecting, not ringing, call option missing, crashing during call since today's date, and please fix it. Or you can also take a screenshot to show the issue if applicable and tap send. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.